no, I think the baby is coming now.
Please come fast, my wife is in labor.
This morning feels so calm and lovely.
Yeah. Do you want to go shopping with me today?
Yes, I want to buy a few things too.
That is great. I need your help with baby items.
Then you need me beside you. Oh, the baby just kicked again.
Hello, little one. We are waiting for you.
Do you want to go to buy something new with us now?
Everything here looks tiny and so cute.
Do you want a girl or a boy more?
Honestly, I don't care as long as they're healthy.
Yeah.
Either way, the baby is still our child.
That sounds sweet, but answer me honestly.
Aha! Look at that mobile. It is so cute.
Are you excited for the baby shower party? Of course.
Of course. I cannot wait for that day.
Everyone also will keep guessing until that day.
That moment will be very special for us.
Soon you will finally know who is coming.
Oh, don't mention it anymore. I'm too curious. All right. Get in the car, honey. We're going home.
Thank you all for coming to celebrate with us. Now it is time to guess the baby gender.
I am sure it will be a baby boy.
No, I think it will be a baby girl. I feel nervous and excited at the same time.
Here we go. Let's see our baby. Wow, look at that.
I told you it was perfect. It is a girl. Wow. A sweet baby girl. A daughter. I'm so happy right now. Wait.
My stomach feels strange all of a sudden.
Someone call for help right now. Please check my wife quickly. Something is wrong.
Wait, Ethan, I'm fine. I just needed the bathroom.
Oh. My wife is fine now. Sorry, I panicked a little bit. What did the doctor say about the due date?
He said everything looks perfect. Maybe next week, if everything stays normal.
Good, then we still have some time left.
Just enough. Oh, I feel pain now, Ethan.
Let me help you to the bathroom quickly.
No. I think the baby is coming now.
Please come fast. My wife is in labor. Please let them both be safe and well. Why does every minute feel so long tonight? That cry. Our baby is finally here.
Ethan, look. She's our little angel.
This is the happiest picture of my life. And that is how Maya came into our world.
Your arrival was funny, Maya. Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Thank you for welcoming me with so much love.
Having you was the most wonderful gift for us.
That night was scary, funny, and deeply memorable.
A baby brings the deepest love into a family.
Hey! Don't forget me!
Birth can feel messy, funny, and full of love.
Oh no! My watermelon has many small green trees now.
Wow! Why didn't you eat it yesterday, my dear Leo?
I wanted to play first, so I forgot to eat.
Now it is a plant, so you can't eat it anymore. Now it is a plant, so you can't eat it anymore.
Mom, look at my new drawing from the garden.